Good day. Today I am going to teach the first lesson of your supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet. This particular lesson is about animals and their care. The lesson name is A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means victory. Surgery means a big kind of an operation done over a sick person when he doesn't become alright with medicines. The author of this particular lesson is James Herriot, who was a veterinary doctor himself. He wrote many series of stories which consisted about the animals and their owners. James Herriot believed that animals are the best thing God had ever made. He used to encounter different kinds of animal problems, and he had a good dealing with the pet owners too. In this particular lesson, we have only three characters: Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky the dog, and James Herriot himself. Mrs. Pumphrey was a very rich woman who not only was rich having her big closets of dresses, but she had a separate closets for her dog too. The dog had 3 different kinds of bowls to eat its day food: the morning food, breakfast, the afternoon lunch, and the night dinner. She was so rich that she fed the dog even wine and brandy sometimes. She fed the dog so much that the dog became as fat as a pig. The dog could not move from one place to another, and the bonus was it used to vomit every day because of overeating. But Mrs. Pumphrey never realized it. She thought the dog had become sick. Actually, the dog was overfed, and without any exercises and walking, the dog had grown plump, because of which problems in its health arose. She took the dog to the veterinary doctor, the author of the lesson, whose actual name was James Alfred. The doctor, as soon as he saw the dog, he clearly understood that there was no problem with the dog but except for overeating. But he also understood that it is waste of telling Mrs. Pumphrey about it, because she loved her pet so much that she will never agree that she has been overfeeding it. So, doctor said, "Why don't you leave your dog with me? I'll take care of it." He says that it needs some kind of a surgery to make the dog all right. Mrs. Pumphrey, who was very much worried, said okay and handed over the dog to James Alfred, or James Herriot, the doctor of the lesson. Herriot takes the dog to his clinic. He observes the dog for the whole day and decides to give only water, but nothing except water, to the dog. He ties the dog separately and leaves the dog with ample amount of water with it. The dog continuously drinks only water and gets tired because it is also alone, and it gets depressed. It sees the other dogs eating some food, but the doctor decided not to feed it anything. For a week, he kept the dog in the same way. Mrs. Pumphrey called the doctor over phone to inquire about the health of the dog. Doctor said that there was a surgery going on him. Now, the surgery over here is not an operation but a surgery of thought. He let loose the dog for a while, which made Tricky the dog went and sniffed all the plates of the other dogs and started to lick the empty bowls of it because it was too hungry. But the vet was The vet was not at all worried about it. He let the dog sniff the bowls and go back to its place. Next day, he started to give little amount of food. Tricky had it happily. It was made to exercise like running all over the hospital ground. It started to mingle with other dogs too. Slowly, Tricky started to build muscles and looked like a perfect healthy dog. Mrs. Pumphrey called over the doctor once again to inquire about the dog. The doctor said the surgery was successful and the treatment is going on. Hearing this, Pumphrey got even more worried that after the surgery the dog might have become weak. So she sent dozens and dozens of eggs, wine, and brandy for her favorite pet dog. The doctor, who received all these, did not care to give it to Tricky because Tricky no more needed all these things. The doctor and the co-doctors, the nurses who helped him, they all had a good feast over the eggs and the wines and brandy sent by Mrs. Pumphrey all over the week. After some time, the doctor called Mrs. Pumphrey to come and take over the pet. At the same time, Harriot had another thought. Why don't I keep the dog with myself so that I can get loads and loads of eggs and wine just for free? He was little possessive, became little jealous of the pet dog who was having all these things which he could not have. Mrs. Pumphrey, when she came over to see her dog, at first did not agree that it was hers, but later on, when Tricky landed into her lap with happiness, she understood that Tricky was all right now, and she called the surgery to be the victory of surgery. James Herriot brings out humor in the lesson by thinking to take away the dog just for some dozens of eggs and brandy. He also tries to tell that dogs or any pet should be taken care of well. How much ever we love them, we should not overfeed it. Overfeeding to anyone is not good. Thank you. Have a great day.